Hi team, today I will be discussing df and du commands with examples. These are disk utility commands. So df command stands for disk free. It shows the available and used disk space on the Linux system. It has some options. So this command, we can use different options to get the different file system sizes, like how much it utilized, what is the free space, what are the file system types, what are the free inodes. Likewise, we can get the different outputs. So -H option gives the output in human readable format. -A option gives complete disk uses, even the if disk available field is 0. -T provides file system type, which file system it is. -I provides inodes, how many inodes free, how many are the utilized. So this is about df command. Next is disk utility, disk uses, du. So this is another command. It will show all the files, how much utilized in a particular directory and subdirectories. Du command list entire files and in a directories and subdirectories. So it also lists how much capacity it occupied each file, how much GB or MB, how much each file having. So to list top 10 files or to 20 files, we will use du command. Du command, once we will give the du command, then we can grep using head command. Head gives top 10 files, tail give top 20 files. Like that, we can sort the output and we will get the large files and minimum files in the directory. So this du command having different options. H means for du command or df command. -H is same. -H means human readable format. -A provides disk uses for all the users. -A provides disk uses. -S provides disk space for particular file or particular directory. So I will also discuss in the terminal. This is the terminal. Like I will list all the files. So these are the files available here. I will clear the screen. I will go to vim directory. I will list files here. We can use ls or ll command. Ll gives all the files including hidden files. ls-l gives the, it will exclude the hidden files. So I will use df command, disk free command -h. So if you observe here, it is listing -h, df-h listing file system size, how much utilized, how much available, percentage, what is the utilized percentage. So this is giving in GB and MB. So that means human readable format. df-h, df-a. So it also providing, including whether it is utilized 0% or available space is 0%, entire everything it is listing. df-a is listing entire everything. So it used 0%, available is 0%. So it some other command, other file system is available blocks and available blocks 0% utilized. So entire detailed manner it is giving the output using -a. Next option is -t. So we need to get the file, which file system type. We need to get file system type. So type means -t. So it is giving file system name and type of file system. This is listing type of file system. -t option. So next one is df-i, inode. It lists the inodes, file system, number of inodes available, number of inodes used, number of inodes free. This one -i gives the inodes. So this is about df command. df-h, -t, -i. So these three options we can use to get the different outputs. So if we observe here, it is giving type. -t means type, giving -i means it is giving inodes. Next one is du, disk uses. du-a. -a gives all the files in a present working directory. So -a means all the files and subdirectories. So how much it is taking? So -h means it gives in a human readable format. If you observe previously, it was just giving 314. Like now I am giving -h. So it is giving 3K, 4K. Total present directory total size is 4K. Likewise, we will use disk uses. Suppose we need to verify the file size. This is the file we have to verify what is the size of that. Vim RC. So if you observe, it is giving the size of that file. So likewise, we can get easily the size of the file, whatever the file we need to get the size, then easily with du command we can du-s. S means size. S means size of the file. It gives the size of the file. So even not only the Vim, we can use directory as well. If I go to back, then pipe du-s Vim. Oh, sorry, it is not going back. We will go back. Now we will check the size of the file, size of the directory. Vim is a directory. If you observe, total size per Vim directory is 4 KB. So if you, even with the du command, du-size command also, we can easily find the size of particular file. File or directory. So -h means it gives the human readable format. -a means complete files. So complete files, normally we have to give that option in the present working directory. So now we can get all the files with sizes. What are the sizes in a present working directory? We will get all the files. So suppose du-a, a means all the files, a for all. Du-a, I need to get Vim files. So I'm not in the Vim directory. I am outside the Vim directory, but I am getting all the directory, all the files, including the sizes. I need to read that in a human readable format. -h will give human readable format. -h give human readable, and -a means all the files in a directory, including directory size. Vim directory size is 4K, and these are the files. Like that, we can use the du command and df commands to get the output and file system spaces, utilized space and available space. Thank you.